Today, we're going to take a look at the Ducky keyboard. This is a gaming keyboard. This is well designed, well engineered, well executed, beautifully made keyboard indeed, my friends. The first thing I noticed about this keyboard was just how sturdy it actually is. It's sturdy, guys. It looks strong. It is strong. It's well designed. It feels strong. You can tell it's well made, 100%. The exact model number for this keyboard is, there you go, Ducky, model name DK2108, serial number, and duckychannel.com. Now, Ducky are a well-known brand and they make good quality gear, guys. Honestly, their keyboards are absolutely top of the class. They are beautiful, well made, and this is no exception. This is a well made, well designed, good all-round keyboard. Trust me on that, my friends. Now, when it comes to the LEDs, this is not your typical LEDs popping out everywhere. That is not the case with this keyboard. The only LEDs on this keyboard you will get is on the caps lock there yourself, to show you that caps lock is enabled. You've got one on F10, a little green one on F12 there, and one on the scroll lock. And that's the only LEDs you get on this keyboard. It's not a shining in your face keyboard. It's nothing like that, guys. It is what it is, and I don't mind that personally. I do like the LED keyboards, don't get me wrong, but I don't mind this either. Minimal LEDs for me is no problem at all. I like the red keys there for WS&D when you're gaming there. That's pretty cool. But I'll tell you guys, this is a top-notch keyboard. Well designed, well engineered, strong, sturdy. I have to say, I'm very impressed with it. It's got a nice weight to it. You can tell it's well made, strong. Guys, when you press the keys, when I'm pressing the keys there, it just feels so smooth and strong. And you can tell it's a good press, guys. You can press down on there, trust me, and they're not going to break. No chance. You can press as hard as you want, and they're not going to break. And you can game all day, and you're going to feel comfortable pressing them keys. Trust me, guys. It's well made, well designed, strong and sturdy. It's a top-notch keyboard, guys. Well made, and I have to say I'm very impressed with it. It's got all your basic keypads there, look. If you want to do some calculations or whatever you want to do. But if you're gaming, well, you could use it anywhere, office, gaming, whatever you want to choose, but it is specifically designed for gaming in mind, because it is a red cherry switch keys, and they're supposed to be one of the best, and this keyboard is top notch, guys. It does the job. Well made, well designed, beautiful, guys. If you like the look of it, if you feel like it's for you, get yourself one, guys. Ducky keyboards, you can't go wrong. I'm really happy with this one, I have to say. If you like the look of it, guys, go get yourself one, my friends. Ducky Zero there, look. Awesome, guys. Honestly, awesome bit of kit. Won't let you down. You won't be disappointed in this, guys. Get yourself a Ducky keyboard. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Goodbye, guys. That's the Ducky keyboard. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.